One thing to keep in mind is that sometimes fear signals that we are in danger, in which case we need to listen to it, escape, or avoid. But a lot of times we get what's best thought of as false alarms. So our brain is telling us we're in danger, but we're not really. Contrary to popular belief, you can't die from embarrassment or making a mistake or upsetting someone, but these things make us feel anxious. So some of the best things that you can do are, one, to remind yourself of the facts, not your predictions, not your worries, but the actual facts of the situation. Two, come back to what's real right now. This is something you may have heard of called mindfulness, but mindfulness is paying attention to the present, what's actually happening. I like to think of it as not what if, but what is. And the third thing, and this is the most important thing you can do to overcome anxiety or fear, it's to face it. When we face the things that make us feel anxious, we're communicating to that part of our brain, this is a false alarm. There's no threat here. There's nothing dangerous. You can chill out. So the best thing you can do is face that fear.